Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Bonham, Texas, where we're doing service on a crawl space. As you can see, the crawl space is finished, of course. You can see the dehumidifier down at the end. We have 2 dehumidifiers in here. But the reason I'm showing you is here's an area where there's water. Now, you can see there's no water anywhere else. It's totally sealed. But this is why you have service. Here, water has made a low spot up under our system. So what we're going to do is we open up the system here, and you can see there's more water. So what we're going to do is we're going to totally open up this area because it's made a low spot, see? And since this area is low, the water is going to roll, and it's going to be on top of this vapor barrier. So what we're doing is we open this and this up. We're going to elevate this area and rechannel this water so it'll run into our drain system, which runs closer to the edge. And then it'll run into our sump. But the point that I'm trying to make is without service, we would have never known, and eventually we'll come in here and this whole area would be flooded. Instead, we're going to fix it right now. So let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.